Patio doors in Richland Hills deserve smooth operation, clean lines, and strong glass performance, especially for homes focused on curb appeal and everyday convenience. Patio doors. Richland Hills services can include sliding patio door glass replacement, Richland Hills patio sliding glass door installation, Richland Hills DFW patio door replacement, and modern patio door replacement for better function and style. For homeowners needing a fast fix or full upgrade, a replacement window contractor can coordinate patio door replacement specialists, window hardware replacement, and custom home window replacement to improve access, comfort, and home exterior improvements. Choosing patio doors. Richland Hills ensures a balance of durability, style, and long-term performance for any home. Energy savings often begin with the right glass package, making Richland Hills energy-efficient replacement windows a smart choice for year-round indoor comfort. Energy-efficient window upgrades, low-E glass installation, insulated glass replacement, thermopane glass replacement, and double-pane window replacement all help reduce heat transfer and support better climate control in Richland Hills TX. Homeowners looking for Richland Hills low-E window installation. Richland Hills or Richland Hills thermal pane glass installation can also benefit from Richland Hills insulated glass replacement experts who understand local weather demands across Tarrant County and the Hurst-Euless-Bedford area. Broken glass should never wait, because damaged openings affect safety, insulation, and appearance fast. Broken window installation, glass panel replacement, residential glass service, and Richland Hills TX glass and window installation can restore security for homes needing immediate attention. Whether the issue involves Richland Hills Residential Glass Replacement Company support, Richland Hills Broken Patio Door Window Service, or Richland Hills Patio Door Glass Replacement, a skilled home window contractor. Richland Hills TX can replace damaged panes, installation seals, and help protect the structure from further damage. Addressing issues quickly with patio doors. Richland Hills services helps maintain both safety and energy efficiency. Vinyl systems remain a popular solution for homeowners wanting durability, low maintenance, and efficient performance. Vinyl window installation. Richland Hills vinyl window installers and residential window replacement services can upgrade older openings with long-lasting frames and improved insulation. For a Richland Hills, Texas home window replacement project, custom window fitting ensures each opening is measured precisely, while window frame replacement and sash window replacement help correct age-related wear. These residential exterior window upgrades are often chosen for reliability, value, and improved visual appeal. Casement and awning styles bring ventilation, versatility, and a clean architectural look to many Richland Hills homes. Awning window replacement, casement window replacement, and Richland Hills casement window replacement. Richland Hills can improve airflow while supporting better ceiling and energy performance. Homeowners considering new construction windows or replacement window contractor services may also want sash installation and replacement, storm window replacement, or window seal replacement to enhance comfort. These options support home window upgrade goals while preserving the character of the property. Sliding systems and patio glass assemblies often need specialized attention when seals fail or rollers wear down. Sliding patio door glass replacement, Richland Hills sliding door window installation, Richland Hills patio sliding glass door installation, and Richland Hills double pane patio door glass services address the most common issues in active homes. For added efficiency, insulated glass replacement and thermopane glass replacement can restore clarity and insulation. Richland Hills patio door replacement specialists often combine glass work with hardware adjustment, frame service, and low-E glass installation for a complete solution. Storm protection and seasonal maintenance matter in North Texas, where changing conditions can stress older windows. Storm window replacement, Richland Hills storm window replacement service, and window seal replacement help defend against drafts, moisture, and energy loss. Homeowners seeking Richland Hills residential exterior window upgrades may also choose double pane window replacement, residential glass service, or Richland Hills home window contractor. Richland Hills TX support to improve performance across the entire home. These upgrades are especially useful for properties needing both comfort and resilience in the Richland Hills, Texas climate. Custom fits make a major difference when openings are unusual, older, or part of a remodel. Custom window fitting. Richland Hills custom home window replacement and window frame replacement allow a precise solution for difficult dimensions and unique designs. Whether the project involves residential window replacement, new construction windows, or a home window upgrade, accurate measurements and professional installation help ensure long-term results. Richland Hills Hurst-Euless-Bedford area window replacement customers often choose this approach to match architecture, improve efficiency, and maintain clean finishes. Sash and frame issues can quietly affect performance long before a full failure occurs. Sash window replacement. Richland Hills sash installation and replacement, window hardware replacement, and window seal installation service help restore proper opening, closing, and insulation. Homeowners in need of Richland Hills residential window replacement or Richland Hills energy-efficient replacement windows often find that installating the moving parts first extends the life of the entire system. This approach supports both function and appearance while reducing the need for premature full replacement. Local expertise matters when selecting a contractor for residential glass and window work in Richland Hills and nearby communities. Richland Hills residential window replacement. Richland Hills home window contractor. Richland Hills TX, Richland Hills Tarrant County window service, and Richland Hills residential exterior window upgrades are best handled by a team familiar with regional standards and home styles. From Richland Hills broken patio door window service to Richland Hills insulated glass replacement experts and Richland Hills low-E window installation, Richland Hills homeowners can rely on detailed service for stronger efficiency, better comfort, and lasting value. Richland Hills patio door replacement and patio doors. Richland Hills services deliver a fast path to better curb appeal, smoother operation, and stronger home security. Homeowners in Richland Hills TX, Tarrant County, and the Hurst-Euless-Bedford area choose modern patio door replacement, sliding patio door glass replacement, Richland Hills patio sliding glass door installation, and Richland Hills DFW patio door replacement to improve daily comfort and exterior style. From broken patio door window service to complete glass panel replacement, a reliable residential glass service keeps doors moving correctly and looking sharp. Energy-efficient window upgrades are a smart home exterior improvement for Richland Hills, Texas home window replacement projects, especially when reducing drafts and improving indoor temperature control matters. Double pane window replacement, low-E glass installation, thermopane glass replacement, insulated glass replacement, and Richland Hills low-E window installation. Richland Hills all support better performance across seasons. Homeowners looking for Richland Hills energy-efficient replacement windows often pair vinyl window installation with custom window fitting for a tighter seal and a more polished finish. Residential window replacement. In Richland Hills residential window replacement projects can include window frame replacement, window seal replacement, window hardware replacement, and broken window installation for aging or damaged units. A skilled replacement window contractor handles awning window replacement, casement window replacement, sash window replacement, and storm window replacement service with precision. For homes needing Richland Hills residential exterior window upgrades, the right home window upgrade can improve ventilation, security, and overall property value. Richland Hills vinyl window installers and Richland Hills custom home window replacement specialists provide solutions that fit older homes, newer builds, and everything in between. New construction windows, custom window fitting, and home window contractor. Richland Hills TX services are ideal when matching existing architecture or completing renovations. Whether the project requires replacement window contractor support or Richland Hills residential glass replacement company expertise, professional installation helps ensure long-term durability and clean results. Richland Hills patio door glass replacement and Richland Hills double pane patio door glass services are essential when cracked seals, fogged panes, or broken glass affect comfort and safety. Richland Hills insulated glass replacement experts and Richland Hills thermopane glass installation teams can restore efficiency without unnecessary replacement costs. For homeowners comparing glass options, glass panel replacement, insulated glass replacement, and thermopane glass installation are practical choices that support a better performing patio door system. Richland Hills TX glass and window installation services cover everything from sash installation and replacement to window seal installation service and residential glass replacement company support. Local homeowners searching for Richland Hills casement window replacement, Richland Hills storm window replacement service, or Richland Hills broken patio door window service can rely on experienced technicians for fast, accurate results. For patio doors, Richland Hills and surrounding neighborhoods, the right window and glass team keeps homes looking better and working better year-round. Investing in patio doors, Richland Hills helps complete exterior upgrades while improving efficiency, security, and everyday usability.